Hello, dear student, and welcome in a new lesson of Module 3 of A to grade, the last module of our semester. Its title, What's a Hero? Please, dear student, before we start, I want everyone to bring your student's book and open it on page 23. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الطلاب من جديد. اليوم بعون الله سنقوم بإنجاز الوحدة الثالثة من منهاج الصف الثامن، وهي الوحدة الأخيرة من هذا الفصل. الرجاء وقبل البدء من كل طالب منكم أن يقوم بإحضار كتاب الملون وأن يقوم بفتحه على الصفحة 23. At first, we should realize some objectives. Number 1. Learn the new vocabulary about heroes. Number 2. Listen to a description about modern heroes. في البداية دعونا نتعرف على بعض الأهداف الخاصة بهذا الدرس. أولاً التعرف على المفردات الجديدة المتعلقة بالأبطال. ثانياً الاستماع إلى وصف عن الأبطال المعاصرين. So, before you start, look at the photographs. Who are these people? And what do you know about them? Number 1. Mustafa Salame is a Jordanian mountain climber. He is a hero. Number 2. Zainuddin Zidane is a famous ex-football player. He is a hero. Ahmed Hassan Zawel is a Nobel Prize-winning scientist. He is a hero. So, the word hero can be used to describe different kinds of people. We can be used to people famous for their ability to overcome challenges, the hero of a story, sportsmen or film stars you admire. Now, let's start with vocabulary. Brave وهي تعني بالعربية شجاع. Doing something difficult even though you feel afraid. For example, he is a brave fireman. Moral وهي تعني بالعربية أخلاقي. Able to tell the differences between right and wrong. For example, he is a very moral woman. Honest وهي تعني بالعربية صادق. Always telling the truth. For example, to be honest, I broke the phone. Focused وهي تعني بالعربية التركيز. Concentrating on a something and giving it particular attention. For example, the need for more focused research. Dedicated وهي تعني بالعربية كرسة. Someone who works very hard at what they do because they care a lot about it. For example, she is completely dedicated to her work. Clever وهي تعني بالعربية ماهر. Quick to understand, intelligent. Muhammad is very clever at physics. Creative وهي تعني مبدع. having good imagination or original ideas. The artist is a creative person. Great وهي تعني بالعربية عظيم. Famous for being able to do something extremely well. The issue is of great importance to voters. Inquisitive وهي تعني بالعربية فضولي. Asking many questions and trying to know all the details about something or someone. For example, our neighbors are too inquisitive. We will listen now to someone talking about these three heroes. As you listen, write in your notebooks the personal qualities that you hear. So, listen carefully for this audio.
Module 3, page 23, Exercise 1. 1.
Mustafa Salame is a Jordanian mountain climber. He reached the top of many mountains, including the highest, Mount Everest. He was unable to reach the top the first 2 times he tried. He was honest about these failed attempts and brave to try for a 3rd time. This dedicated and focused climber was rewarded for his efforts when he successfully climbed Mount Everest on Jordan's Independence Day in 2008.
2. Zinedine Zidane was born in France in 1972 and played football from a young age. He went on to play for the winning French team at the 1998 World Cup and the 2000 European Championships. He was clever and creative in the game and is now known as one of the greatest players of all time. He is also a moral person who does lots of work for charity. 3.
In 1999, the Egyptian scientist Ahmad Hassan Zuhail received the Nobel Prize for Chemistry. He was inquisitive and intelligent from a young age, and used this to overcome many challenges. Very few people have the brilliance to win a Nobel Prize, or to write over 500 articles in 3 years.
Now, homework. Please, dear student, try to answer exercise 2 on page 23. Have a nice day. Your teacher, Noor Saad. Pleasure to listen for me.